Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell so you will be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. Let's see what's this. Oh, it's easy to open.
Easy peasy.
Oopsie.
Sorry for the fun noise, guys. We are in a heat wave at the moment.
It's a bit hot today.
More than a bit hot.
So this is garden netting insect barrier, and it's what do you call this? Vacuum.
Vacuum packed.
Vacuum pack.
Should be 4 in there, hopefully.
So this
You
is for
can just
our...
pull it open.
Huh?
Doesn't pull open.
No.
Pull that and pull that. We'll see. No?
It doesn't.
Mm.
It needs opening. So this is for our fruit trees, guys.
The dwarf fruit trees.
It
To
needs
protect it from culprits
it needs
like
protection.
squirrels
The fruit needs protection.
and birds.
So let's see. Oh wow, it's quite huge.
Yeah, there are 2 sizes. I bought the larger of the 2.
So it's good because
You
it's
can put it over the tree, I think. Or is it? Yeah, it has to go over the tree.
yeah, it's,
Is the other end open as well, or is that closed?
it's open as well. So it's a bit huge, guys.
So the bit with the zip should come on the top, I think.
So yeah, so this is is a one. This is in one. Let me see. Oh, so this is 2. Let me see.
No, it looks like 1.
Oh, it's
So
one.
it's huge. So, maybe I should have bought the smaller one.
It's huge. So this will cover the whole tree.
Yeah.
So
Should both ends are open, or is one end closed?
it's open. And then there's a zip. Yeah, it's a zip.
So the zip should come on the top. You just
Yeah.
pull it through the other open end and then zip the top.
Yeah. So what happens, guys, is like this. So still can water it, even though it's covered. So it's nice. So it's protect from all insects.
Not just insects, hopefully
Insects.
squirrels and birds as well.
Bird and pest barrier. So air can still go in there and light.
And how about rain?
Mm-hmm.
How about rain?
Of course, because watering it, it's okay. So rain can go in as well.
Yeah.
So it's fine. So when we put it on our tree, then we will video guys, so you will see.
Sorry.
Because it's our first time to buy this, and we have it. Oh no! Before we got us netting, and
Yeah,
I
but
used to
that was
cover
big,
the
big
tree.
holes, so
Yeah,
it didn't really help much.
yeah, but this one is huge, so it's nice. It's
Especially for the cherry trees, the apricot tree,
yeah.
and the apple. Small
How many in here, darling?
should be 4, so I can leave those. Don't open them up.
3, 4. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's 4. And is it the same size?
Yeah.
So they are all huge. We can cover 2 trees in one go. Because our trees are patio trees, so they are small. So that's why they put it vacuum pack to make it smaller because it's a net.
Takes up less space when they're
Yeah.
storing it in their warehouses to sell.
Yeah, so I'm so
They can-
excited to
You
use
can
this
put
in the
that,
garden.
anything on the back of that, any instructions?
No instruction. it's straightforward to use it. Just cover it and zip, and that's
You
it.
can put that in there as well.
Yeah. Yes. What is it?
Ella baby, love
Oh.
you, love mommy
Are you
too.
hungry?
Can't be.
You want to
It's not-
eat or you want
it's
to
not
go
time
into
yet.
garden?
I only gave him a couple of
What
hours
do
ago.
you want? Baby, what do you want?
Yeah, probably wants to go out.
What do you want?
Out and about.
Oh, look at this. You like it? You like it?
Really, really like it. Tippy, 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 cute, na cute.
Cute na cute. Cute.
Yes.
Okay guys, so this is the unboxing for today. This knitting for fruit trees.
Yes.
Okay, thank you guys for coming. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Ta-ra. Love.